government. And address. Instead of the traditional monsieur or title of sir and madam, all French men and women were henceforth citoyen and citoyenne. It means sir, the title of sir and madam were removed. In place of them, or in place of the title of sir and madam, citoyen and citoyenne were placed. Men were called citoyen and women were called citoyenne, which means citizens. Churches were shut down and their buildings converted into barracks of officers. Churches were shut down and their buildings were converted into the barracks of officers and officers. Robespierre pursued his policies and relentlessly that even his supporters began to be moderation. It means even their supporters also began demanding for moderation in the Robespierre's policy. Finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794. He was arrested on the next day and sent to the Guillotine. Thus we see that from here the reign of terror ended. After reign of terror, a directory rule was introduced in France. Dear students, it is an important part of this chapter. Often, question is asked related to the directory rule in France. That's why centralize your mind, centralize yourself to this part of the chapter. Jacobin government fell down and allowed the wealthier middle classes to seize power. It means when revolutionary government or Jacobin government fell down, allowed it the wealthier middle classes to seize power. It means this government, after reign of terror, the power of the wealthier middle class was seized down. A new constitution was introduced. This new constitution denied the vote to non-propertied sections of society. This new constitution denied the vote to non-propertied sections of society. It provided directory rules provided for 2 elected legislative councils. These then appointed a directory and an executive made up of 5 members. It means this new constitution introduced a directory or allowed to appoint a directory and executive made up of 5 members. This was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as under the Jacobins. It means, dear students, in revolutionary government, the power was centralized in one hand like the head of the nation. That's why the policy of terror was introduced and this disturbed the France. That's why an executive of 5 members was established to decentralize the power. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils. Earlier we saw that new constitution appointed 2 legislative councils. That's why the directors was clashed with the legislative councils often. And often this directory was dismissed by the legislative councils. The political instability which led the political instability of the directory and gave the rise of the military dictator Napoleon Bonaparte. And due to clash with directory rules and the legislative councils gave the way to rise the military dictatorship of Napoleon Bonaparte. Through all these changes in the form of government, the ideals of freedom, equality before the law, fraternity remained inspiring ideals that motivated political movements in France and the rest of Europe during the following century. It means, in spite of rising military dictator under the Napoleon Bonaparte, the principles or ideals of freedom, equality before the law, and fraternity remained inspiring ideals and inspiring principles. And these principles motivated the people for political movements in France and rest of the Europe. This was the directory rule in France. Dear students, in next class we will discuss about the revolution and women as well as the abolition of slavery, and then we will discuss about revolution that influenced the everyday life of the people. 3 sections are remained. One by one we will discuss later. Thank you. Okay.